And we're back.
And we're back.
Hello. Welcome.
Howdy.
To make it go.
Oh. Make those heads go.
Oh, is this a minefield?
I think so.
God damn it.
Look at that those boxes.
Yeah, I will. Ooh, what the oh, he's got a beam sword too.
Oh shit. There you go, sidestep. Yeah.
Fuck off, dude.
Dude. Nice.
Dick.
Nice.
This has to end.
I know.
Whoa! Frame rate drop.
There's a health on the other side.
Where?
Right there with that other red box. To go.
Oh, through the minefield?
Yeah.
Okay, that's where the health is. That makes sense. Oh no.
There you go.
Just don't go in this little patch of sand right here.
There's another health.
Ouch. That was a mine.
It's a good thing there's multiple health
That was a mine.
boxes.
That was a mine.
You got health right in front of you.
If I ever get to it.
I know, right? Nice. Oh, it didn't register.
That was a mine. That was a mine.
Wow.
So I'm trying to get out of this minefield right now.
There you go. Okay. Oh shit. Oh, you can shoot. Perfect.
Oh.
Nice.
Fucking dick. Fucking suck my tiny dick.
Come on, you got it.
That was basically my life 2 seconds ago.
Wow.
Oh, you actually have to get up. Alright.
Okay.
Come on. You wanna get me? You wanna get me?
Well,
Oh, you're bad at shooting guns.
killing your battery.
But I'm killing him. So. Oh yeah.
Jack
and
off
then I'm
over
gonna jack it really quick.
Right over his corpse. Nice.
Bye, bitch. Get the fuck out of here, bitch.
Bish.
Bish new. I don't know why I said that. Oh, good gracious.
Wow, yeah. Fuck that, just dodge.
It's funny, he doesn't even move the gun over to where I am. He's
Right.
just like, well, I gotta wait till I'm done firing in this position. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah.
Nice.
One.
God damn.
They're
Just like all willy-nilly.
yeah, they're all easy to dodge though, so that's cool.
Battery.
Battery. Oh wow. Okay, so he can shoot over the.
Barricades.
What are those? Tank stops?
I
They stop tanks, right?
think so. Or boats. Both? Both, probably.
Oh, oh, so close, so close. Stick your finger in my ass.
Damn.
Goodbye.
Right down the middle.
How can you kill somebody? when they have no body. Hi, Steve Spiros, Humberside. They're creating bums. They created me in Waterloo.
They look at me like a goddamn vampire.
Just because I had dark glasses on and I smiled at them when they were looking at me in Waterloo.
Oh, man. I'm sorry if I embarrassed anybody from Humberside.
Hi, Steve Spiros, Humberside. I didn't mean to embarrass anyone. Toronto's like, what was it?
You were out of battery, dude.
Ow, 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 ow.
Shit. Hit your battery right now.
Hold on. It's like New York, Manhattan. They're creating bums. I love you. I don't know. I don't think that poor reporter knew what she was in for.
No.
When she interviewed Steve Spiros from Humberside.
Who apparently does not like the city of Waterloo.
Or what was that? Where is Waterloo? Toronto?
Somewhere in Canada, yeah. I don't know Canada very well.
We should look that up.
You know what? I can do that right now. Oh. Waterloo.
Waterloo.
Canada.
You gotta say it like that.
Yeah. Oh, it's in Ontario.
Yeah, Ontario, Canada.
Yeah.
They're creating bums. They created me.
Where's Humberside?
You should look it up, and then we should find Steve Spiros and go to Canada. We should go to Canada just for Steve Spiros. Hi, Steve Spiros, Humberside.
Humberside Collegiate Institute High School in Toronto, Ontario.
There you go. He's from Toronto.
Oh, okay. That's why he was apologizing to people from Humberside specifically.
Yeah. Because he was like, I never went to school. I never got an education. And look how I turned out. Remember in the beginning?
That's right. Oh, man.
Waterloo. How can you kill somebody that has no body?
Oh my god, Steve Spiros. It's so funny, he's just making multiple rounds of the Make It Stop show.
God. That shit was fucking hilarious. As soon as you brought that up in Lollipop Chainsaw, I was like, I need to look that up. And then I looked it up, and I was blown away because I remember when that happened. Didn't that happen in like 2016 or some shit?
A while ago.
And then it was immediately all over the news.
Oh man.
It was great, man.
Oh my god.
Every single time. Story of my life right there.
Every time.
Oh.
Phone call.
Moshi Mosh. Moshi Moshi.
Moshi Mosh. The secret beach is up ahead. Then it's ranking match time. When you'll be number 6.
Alright.
Lose, and your new home will be in the flaming tombs of hell.
That actually sounds pretty cool.
Yeah, everything okay? How's your neck? Bladder and mind? Have you trimmed your nose hair? When you're ready, step inside.
You know, I've never trimmed my nose hairs.
Oh, yeah?
I did pull them out with some weird-ass Japanese thing that Yoshimi gave me.
Whoa.
We both pulled them out, and guess what? She had way more than me.
Whoa.
It's gross. She's fucking hairy, dude.
I don't know if you want to say that.
My wife is hairy as fuck. I'm not gonna lie.
Happens. Some people are. I'm 500% certain you will die this time.
Yeah, well, if I die, I'm just gonna come back anyway. So, can I hang this phone up?
Only when they allow
Thank
you.
you. Thank you, Steve Spiros.
From Humberside.
From Humberside.
Collegiate Institute.
What is that? What is a collegiate institute?
It seems to be a high school.
It's just a high school?
He's just talking about his high school.
Oh, okay. Humberside? Hello, Steve Spiros? Goodbye!
This is just common sense in Calgary. The king of suplexes. Remember now Satan's Ferris wheel. The belly to belly. MS.
Find out who this MS character is, man.
Yeah,
I really gotta find it out.
Hit that save spot, yo.
Go take a poop poop. Go take a little poop poop with my little poop poop. He's a goof troop poop poop. Oh shit.
You hit now.
Moe.
Moe.
The littler the better.
Oh god.
Yeah, Mo shit's weird, dude. I ain't about it. They looked at me like a vampire.
Waterloo.
In Waterloo. He says it's so weird, dude. He's like... And then he rips open his shirt. You remember that?
He does.
And he's like, I love you. Waterloo.
I guess we'll have to talk more about Steve Spiros on the next one.
You should find him on, like, Twitter or something.
Oh my god.
Just cyber stalk him.
Right?